If you want to make orange juice, here's the easiest and fastest way to do it. So first of all, I take my oranges and I put them in warm water because they're really cold when they come out of the refrigerator. And when I'm peeling them, they're really cold on my hands. So when I put them in this water, it warms them up. Then I'll take my orange, I'll cut off both ends, and then I'll peel it. When I cut off both ends, it makes the peeling of the orange a lot easier. Once the orange is peeled, I will cut it into 4 different pieces. So I'll cut it this way and cut it this way. And then I'll add the orange pieces to my Nama juicer. Once you have the juicer full of oranges, turn it on and let it work. And while it's working, I will continue peeling the oranges. There we go. I juiced a whole about 8 pounds of oranges, and I'm finishing up putting the last little bit in the juicer. You can see it's coming out really quickly. And here is all the juice. That's literally the quickest way that I've found to make orange juice, and this is the best machine that I've found so far to do it. If you have not already downloaded my free video course, I have a 4 to 5 video course on the morning cleanse, and you get it free. Just go to the link below or go to mymorningcleanse.com and look for the free product. If you have not already, make sure you subscribe to this channel and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.